Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will describe how we can use circle tools by using AutoCAD. Here the circle tools. From circle tools we can use different things. Here center radius, first take center and then radius. After that here center diameter. First take center then diameter. Then here 2 point. Uh, before using it, we can take to line or other things because these tools we can use only connect to point. Okay. Uh, Now we can use 2 point. One done. Then here 3 point. Before using this 3 point, we can take polygon 3 point. Okay. Then select 3 point. 1 point, second point. Okay, 3 point done. Then here 10 radius. Okay. Before using 10 radius, 10 radius. Okay. Now we will use the 10 radius. One circle to another circle. Okay, 10 radius done. Then use 10. Okay. 10 means object touching to 3 tangent to 3 object. Okay. One circle, second circle, third circle. Okay. uh, that's mean 10 also done. By following this thing, we can easily use circuit tools by using AutoCAD. Okay, thank you so much. No more today.